CAD yen. Okay, so I drew this out. It's I marked down this 107.5 level just as a like a trial kind of thing, just to see what it would do, and it went through that. So 107.5 is not our low for the month, and based on the rest of this, I would say that this is actually going to come back down to this zone that it already has here. Oh, I can't get these to move. Hold on. There we go. So I think this might be our lowish zone, is the 105, just because I don't see really much before that. So 105 could be our zone here. And then you're looking at 110.5, so still 550 pips. But you're going to want price to come back down to here. This trade was never valid. It's just an idea. So delete all these. But again, price did make lower highs or higher highs here and then here. So there is a chance that price doesn't come down much more. And we look for something like this. So I'd actually consider a buy at this level if this level held it. If it doesn't hold it at all, then we're not buying it. Price is below this 4 hour, or below the 1 hour and the 4 hour moving average. You can see big bearish candles here. So in the CAD Swiss, which we previously looked at, it's bearish. So like the Canadian dollar is not doing as well. So we have to wait. We have to wait for price to at least come to this zone and then see what it does. And then if it changes structure and it starts printing higher highs, higher lows on at least the 1 hour, then we might consider an entry. I would like to see price actually cross back above this moving average once it hits this zone before entering it. And then if not, we're just going to hold it to this zone, which I think is pretty significant. Even if we have to lift this zone a little bit to incorporate more of this area, if it's something like this, can totally do that as well. So I'll probably just leave this drawn actually. So we need we need price to come back down and hold on one of these zones here before we enter a long position for the month. Ideally this big zone here. So we will just wait this one out, set this here, move this up a bit, something like this, guys. So let price come back down to 105, 46. Let it touch this zone at least. I think it's going to smoke through this zone based on today. I mean, there's still 6 hours left on this candle, but you can see it's a very bearish candle, and we'll most likely just print another one through this zone tomorrow. It's pretty much at its daily range today, so it might not go much lower than this today, but I think tomorrow it'll bust through this zone, so this little zone here. So we're going to look for a buy in this big zone here, then target our monthly range at 110.5. So that is CAD yen. We just got to wait.